Here is how to upload file in Google Drive link. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can upload files in Google Drive link. So let's start. You can either directly tap on the link and go to the official website of Google Drive, or you can go to any browser of your choice and then enter the website of Google Drive, which is drive.google.com, and head to the official website. After you go to the official website of Drive, make sure to log into your account and it will take you to the home page like this. Now if you have got a Google Drive link, go to shared with me and you will see all the drives that have been shared with you. After you go to shared with me, you will see the Google Drive folder that has been shared with you. Now in order to upload files in shared Google Drive or make any changes, you will have to be given permission to do so by the person who has shared it with you. After that, open the folder where you want to upload files. Then after, click on the new option. Now if you have the permission to upload files, then all these options to upload file will be enabled. However, since I don't have any permission to edit this folder, you can see that all these options have been disabled. You can further read that I don't have the permission to edit this folder. So when you have the permission to edit the folder, you can simply upload the files by clicking on new and then clicking on file upload. After the upload is complete, you will have successfully added new files in the shared Google Drive link. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.